Hello, my dear students. Today I will discuss about these keywords of Java and how to do program using constructor. The topic name is Constructor Part 3. The next slide is about these keyword in Java. What is this keyword? The keyword this is a reference variable in Java that refers to the current object of the class. It can be used to refer instance variable of current class. It can be used to invoke or initiate current class constructor and can be passed as an argument in the method call. The next slide contains the example of this keyword. Public class compute area. Start curly braces declaring class. Float length comma width semicolon declaring member variables. Public compute area. Start parenthesis float length comma float width close parenthesis start curly braces defining parameterized constructor. System.out println start parenthesis start double quotes the these keyword inside close the double quotes parenthesis semicolon. System.out println start parenthesis start double quote parameterized constructor close the double quotes parenthesis semicolon. This dot length equals to length. This dot width equals to width. Close the curly braces. End of parameterized constructor. The this keyword is used to assign values to the instance variables. Member variables are also known as instance variable. The this keyword is used to refer the instance variable instead of local variable. The next slide contains the next part of the program. Public void show. Start curly braces defining impure function. Float area length asterisk width semicolon finding area. System.out println start parenthesis start curly braces area is equals to close the double quotes plus area parenthesis semicolon close the curly braces end of function public static void main string args square bracket close parenthesis start curly braces defining main function. Compute area obj equals to new compute area. Start parenthesis 7.5 f comma 8.0 f close the parenthesis semicolon creating object with parameterized constructor 7.5 comma 8.0 are the actual argument of parameterized constructor. Obj.show invoking function. Close two curly braces end of main and end of class. The output is the these keyword inside parameterized constructor. Area is 60.0. The next slide contains one programming using constructor. Write a class compute date in Java with following details. Instance variables or data members. Day 1 store the day, month 1 store the month, year 1 stores the year. Constructor and member methods. default constructor colon to initialize instance variables as day 1 equals to 2, month 1 equals to 3, year 1 equals to 1990. Parameterized constructor to initialize instance variable as day 1, month 1 and year 1. Void show to display the date. Write a main method to create an object of the class using default as well as parameterized constructor and call the above method. The next slide contains the next part of the program. Public class compute date. Start curly braces declaring class int day 1, month 1, year 1, semicolon declaring member variables. Public compute date parenthesis open parenthesis closed. Start curly braces defining default constructor day 1 equals to 2, month 1 equals to 3, year 1 equals to 1990, initializing member variables. Close the curly braces. End of default constructor. Next slide contains the next part of the program. Public compute date within parenthesis int dy, int mn, int yr. Start curly braces defining parameterized constructor. Day 1 equals to dy, month 1 equals to mn, year 1 equals to yr, initializing member variables. Close the curly braces. End of parameterized constructor. Void show parenthesis open parenthesis close. Start curly braces defining impure function system.out.println. Start parenthesis, start double quotes. The date is colon. Close the double quotes plus day 1 plus start double quotes front slash close double quotes plus month 1 plus within double quotes front slash close the double quotes plus year 1 close parenthesis semicolon displaying current date. Close the curly braces. End of function. The next slide contains the next part of the program. Public static void main. Start parenthesis string args. Square bracket. Close the parenthesis. Start curly braces defining main function. Compute date d1 equals to new compute date parenthesis open parenthesis closed semicolon. Creating object using default constructor d1.show parenthesis open parenthesis closed. Invoking function compute date d2 equals to new compute date within parenthesis 24, 10, 2020 close parenthesis semicolon. Creating object using parameterized constructor d2.show parenthesis open parenthesis closed semicolon. Invoking function end of two curly braces end of main and end of class. D1 and D2 are the objects of class compute date. Both are created using default constructor as well as parameterized constructor. So the output is the date is colon 2 front slash 3 1990. The date is colon 24th front slash 10 2020. The next slide contains the variable description of this program. Variable name Data type description. Day 1. Data type is int to store day number. Month 1. Data type is int to store month number. Year 1. Data type is int to store year number. Student, in this session I have discussed about these keywords of Java and how to do program using constructor. Hope all of you have understand this part of the chapter very well. That's all for now. Thank you.